In today's retail climate, efficiency and dependability are essential. Shopify POS delivers seamless hardware integration to satisfy these demands, assuring interoperability with a wide selection of point-of-sale gear. Shopify POS supports a wide range of hardware devices, including receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers, easing operations and improving the customer experience. In this video, we'll look at the relevance and benefits of Shopify POS hardware integration, focusing on how it enables merchants to streamline their point-of-sale operations, improve accuracy, and create a coherent and efficient retail environment. Point-of-sale process improvements. Shopify POS hardware integration helps retailers simplify and streamline point-of-sale procedures. Retailers may connect their preferred devices to the Shopify POS system smoothly by providing interoperability with a varied selection of POS hardware devices. Barcode scanners, for example, can be integrated to enable for fast and precise product scanning during checkout. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and decreases the possibility of human error, resulting in efficient and accurate transaction processing. Receipt printers may also be automatically linked into Shopify POS, allowing shops to generate professional-looking receipts in real time for their customers. By providing instant transaction documentation, this connection saves time and improves the entire client experience. Improved precision and efficiency. Integrating POS hardware devices into Shopify POS enhances accuracy and operational efficiency. Retailers can speed up transactions and remove manual tasks by linking suitable devices. Cash drawers can be incorporated with Shopify POS, allowing cash transactions to be monitored and documented securely. This interface eliminates the need for manual cash handling and decreases the danger of cash management errors. Card readers can also be effortlessly connected, allowing merchants to safely and efficiently accept numerous payment methods. Retailers can process credit and debit card payments smoothly by connecting compatible card readers, increasing transaction speed and delivering a hassle-free payment experience for customers. Furthermore, the integration of Shopify POS hardware improves inventory management procedures. Retailers may correctly and efficiently update inventory levels, manage product movements, and reduce errors associated with human data entry by incorporating barcode scanners. Options for versatile hardware. Shopify POS hardware integration provides retailers with a variety of options while maintaining compatibility with a wide range of hardware devices. Retailers can select hardware that best meets their business goals and budget, ranging from industry-leading brands to low-cost solutions. Retailers can choose from receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers that work flawlessly with Shopify POS. This adaptability enables retailers, whether they operate a small boutique or a large-scale retail business, to modify their hardware arrangement to their individual needs. Scalability and integration. Shopify POS hardware integration works flawlessly with a variety of hardware devices, assuring compatibility and usability. Shopify POS offers complete integration capabilities regardless of whether shops choose hardware devices from Shopify's approved list or third-party choices. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware connection is scalable, allowing for businesses of all sizes to benefit. Retailers can begin with a simple hardware setup and scale up as their business expands, simply incorporating additional devices as needed. The integration of Shopify POS hardware allows businesses to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, improve accuracy, and maximize operational efficiency. Shopify POS allows shops to create a cohesive and efficient retail environment by providing interoperability with a wide range of POS hardware devices, such as receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers. Shopify POS hardware integration provides merchants with the flexibility and dependability they need to drive customer satisfaction, optimize operations, and achieve retail success in today's competitive marketplace, thanks to its seamless integration and scalability.